In this tutorial, you will learn about the nutrient applications by season table and where you can access it in SnapPlus. The table can be opened from any screen by going to View in the main menu bar or by clicking on the orange button here. The purpose of this table is to help you see the applications on the farm during a specified rotation all at once while you are planning. The table will stay open while you use other screens and tools in SnapPlus. But keep in mind, you do not directly edit this table. It is for display only. It displays the total amounts planned or actual nutrient applications for each source by season. The annual amounts available, planned, and remaining are also displayed. The amounts available are taken from the manure and bio data on the nutrient sources screen. The label in the lower right shows the number of acres that have applied manure. So let's take a quick look around the table to get familiar with the layout. At the top of the table, you can select the cropping year you want to start with and the number of years in the rotation you would like to view. You can also select the type of nutrient applications you would like to display here. Below each is the number of acres associated with the specific nutrient type. Additional information about the total acres is shown here. And at the top of the screen is overall farm averages. Note that if you see a message here instead of averages, you just need to run the models on the cropping screen. Okay, on to the actual table. You can see that the information is displayed by the crop year, nutrient type, source name, season, available amount, applications, and remaining amount. If the remaining amount shows a negative number, then that source has been overplanned. One very important feature of this table is the refresh button. When you change any applications anywhere in SnapPlus, you will need to hit the refresh button to see those changes reflected in the table. When you are done with the table, click Close or the X in the upper right-hand corner. This is the end of the tutorial on the Nutrient Applications by Season tool.